Hi, it's Mike.
So in our documents here, we've compressed this folder. So then we go over to portal.office.com, log in with your Office 365 credentials, click on the dots in the top left and then click on SharePoint. And then click on the site that you would like to upload the folder to. And then click on Documents. Up here you'll see the upload. Click the drop down. Now if you select Folder and go to Documents, you'll see that the compressed folder is not here. Now SharePoint doesn't recognise it as a folder, so what you need to do is upload it as a file. So if you go do the drop down, click on Files, and you'll see there the compressed folder is there. Select it, open, and then that will upload for you. There we go.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.